Hello and welcome to this New Year's Eve special for 2024. In this video I've got some exciting news about what's coming in 2025 and I'm going to be taking a look back at what's happened in 2024. I've made some notes here. I rarely ever read notes in videos. I like to do it as I go, but there's a lot to talk about. I'm going to name my video of the year, a new thing I'd start doing this year. I think this is the 7th New Year's Eve special I've made, and I thought it would be fun to name what I think is my favourite video of the last year. And I've got some news for you, I've got some exciting stuff. This channel is going to be changing, so let's get into it. So, this has really been a year of change for me, and some of you watching this video who watch regularly will notice some differences in this room. Now it's quite obvious, but yes, I've got my new chair, monitor, speakers, all that's new. Same old PC for now, but I've made a lot of changes. Can you spot another change? There is one. It's very subtle, and it's actually been in a few of the videos, but there's something different about this setup that I've got. Same camera, same phone, same microphone, but there's something a bit different, and the video looks different, even though it's the same camera. Any ideas what that is? Well, yeah, it's been a year of change. I won't go into all this because it'll take too long, but simply I've had massive changes in my life this year, all good, all positive, but something was supposed to happen which started back in February, March, and it didn't happen, but because that didn't happen, something bigger is now happening next year, or maybe the one after. So there will be more news on that in the future, but there are huge things going on in my life, not to do with work, but really big, exciting things. So I've still been making videos every weekend, to be released every weekend this year, and this is my next point. A few days ago, I thought, you know what, I wonder how many videos I've made on therapy, because this channel used to be all about driving lessons, driving tests, driving instructor training, and 5 years ago, this month, almost 5 years ago, to the day I'm filming this, I became a hypnotherapist, and I thought, I wonder how many therapy videos I've made, maybe 100, 120. So have a guess, how many videos are there? Now on my channel, there are 770 videos in total. Some are not released yet, but there are 770 in total. And there's actually probably over 800 because there's some unlisted ones you can see. I made a video once about an interactive driving test where you can take part in the test by clicking on the video, and many of those videos are unlisted. But anyway, how many videos do you think I've made on therapy and driving anxiety? 312. I had no idea I had made that many videos on anxiety. 312 videos. That's almost half my channel is about therapy, and that really surprised me. But this is the point, is that a lot of the changes that were supposed to happen this year but didn't are going to make it easier for me to make more videos. So when I get a new PC, it's going to be much quicker. And I've thought, you know, what is my channel all about? Because it's become a bit fragmented with therapy and driving lessons and tests. And I thought, well, what is it really all about? What does it boil down to? And I thought, well, really, driving lessons, driving tests, driving therapy, it's all about driving, but more than that, it's about helping people drive. So from now on, I've been working on some new artwork for my channel, my YouTube channel header, and I'm going to make my videos about helping people drive. So I'm going to move away slightly from the therapy. I'll still be doing it, still be doing sessions, it's still going, but I do want to bring back some of my driving lesson and driving test videos. I went out and made one, which you'll have seen, that came out on Boxing Day, and I really enjoyed it. It was quite fun to get back out on the road, the old, filming, driving, talking about tests and whatever. And I did one about a driving test at night, and I enjoyed it. Thought, it's quite a laugh. So my plan was to get back to doing more teaching lessons and tuition. And some of my most popular videos have been my tip videos, like tips on how to fix electric windows that are broken and how to get your car started again if the auto stop start doesn't work. So I'd love to do all that, but there's been a spanner thrown in the works, which is in where I live in Birmingham, they are thinking about making all of the roads have a speed limit of 20 miles an hour. They're trying to push this, going on for years. I won't get into all it now, it's for a different video, but simply they want to make every road, pretty much 99% of roads will have a 20 mile an hour speed limit. And I've always said, if they do that, I'm off. Because how can I teach people to drive? They're going to be crawling around at 20, 20, 20. How are they going to drive when they go out of Birmingham? They're not going to be able to handle driving. It's going to be dangerous. And that's for the videos. I don't agree. I don't think 20 makes it safer. For me, there's all this stuff on the signs about 20 is plenty, slow is safe. For me, safe is safe. It's not about being slow. You can be driving quickly and be safe as long as you're aware of what's going on and you're driving according to the conditions around you, rather than just having a set 20, 20, it's just 20 because it's 20. I don't agree with it. I don't think many people do. So I was all set to get back to driving lessons and tests and filming them. And it's like, will I do it anymore? I don't know. My car is also getting quite old. It's now, I've had this car for coming up to 7 years. I've never had a car that long before. So that needs upgrading. What to? Do I go electric? Do people want to learn in them? They're very expensive, $700-800 a month to lease one. So yeah, lots of changes coming to my channel, maybe, but perhaps, sort of, maybe. So lots of stuff going on behind the scenes. So what I'm saying is, I would love to get back to doing more driving videos on the road, and I will, but there are big things going on that might change that. So yeah, I'd also like to do more for free. I'll pull this away now because that's the last point I made. I'd love to do more to help people for free with therapy, because it's got to the point now where I'm getting more and more success. So it's difficult to do therapy just over videos because it's interactive. You need to interact and calibrate and talk to people. But I would love to do as much as I can to do for free, and I would love to film more therapy sessions. I've said that for years. Understandably, hardly anybody wants to film them because it's so private. But if anyone does want to film a session and it can be edited to remove any, personal details, let me know. So yeah, my video of the year for 2024 is panic attacks when driving. It's called something like that. What was it called? How to avoid panic attacks, or I can't remember what it's called now. Let me look it up. But it was the one I made where I started by some lakes, and I drove around. It's about 20 minutes long, and I was talking about how to overcome panic attacks. I will link to this at the end of the video. It was called, panic attacks when driving. Yeah, so I'm getting a bit confused. It's different videos. Yeah, it's called How to Stop Panic Attacks and Anxiety When Driving, because I've got so many videos with similar titles. And yeah, that's it. So that was my video of the year. I really enjoyed that one. I don't know why, but it's just fun. I think it's a good guide. It helped people a lot. There was a lot of useful information in that. It had nice scenery at the beginning, finishing on the motorway, and it was good. It came out, it was quite handy. People have enjoyed that. Sorry if I'm kind of coughing a lot. I won't tell you why. I'm always coughing. I've always been a bit coughy or whatever, but there is a good reason why at the moment I'm coughing a bit more than usual. I haven't been ill, nothing like that. It's all to do with the changes I was talking about. So yeah, lots of stuff going on. What was your favourite video of this year or previous years? What would you like to see in the future from me? Would you want more driving videos? Would you want me to combine driving and therapy. I would love to meet some of the people I work with, actually see the results. But I am a bit reluctant because if I'm in the car with them, it's different. When you've got anxiety, if someone is in the car with you, it's just different because your mind thinks you've got like a safety net. So yeah, my channel will continue to go, and I'm going to be doing more on the road. I do want to get out more and be filming more. With the new PC coming in a few months, whenever I get it, I'll be able to record videos much quicker. That PC over there takes about 4.5 hours to record the video. I mentioned panic attacks when driving. I press render, 4.5 hours. And I did mention this year that I've had trouble with my computer crashing because I got my new cameras. I can't believe I got those nearly a year ago, in January. This year's just flown by. It's been a blur for me because I've had so much going on. I haven't even decorated for Christmas, apart from my reindeer and snowman. I've been so busy, I haven't even had time to decorate. I've actually been away from home for quite a bit. Lots to go over, but I won't go over that now. So yeah, it's been a mad year, but if it takes 4.5 hours to record every video, it's hard. But I thought that computer was struggling with the new cameras and the new footage. It turns out it wasn't the computer, it was the software. So my software was quite old, so I've updated to the latest video editing software, and I can now do my transitions where the page peels, where the page peels from the corners and it zooms in and out. I can do that again because I've not been able to do that for a while. That computer kept crashing. So anyway, it's been a mad year for me. And when I started making this video, I was going to say about how next year is going to be a year of change. But I realised actually this has been a year of change, and actually next year is more about getting back to normal. So I've had a rough year, all good, but it's been a really manic, mad year for me with tons of stuff going on. I've had some great results with clients, really pleased about that. I've neglected my driving lessons. I do want to get those back, as I say, but I'm just repeating myself now, so I think I'll wrap this up before I lose my voice completely. There are more videos coming. What I wanted to do is give you a preview of upcoming videos. So let's go through. I've got loads. I've got them made in advance until April, so I'll give you a preview of some of them. The first one coming in 2025 is it's quite a cold, chilly video, and I filmed this back when we had a heat wave in July and August, but it's a very chilly, cold video. I'm just having trouble finding my videos because I've still got the other one up. There we go. So yeah, it's quite a chilly video, and you're going to get to see me in action in the sack, so don't miss that. I've got a great one coming on, that's coming on January 4th. I've got the good one coming on the 11th of January. The common question people ask, what if I can't remember what caused my anxiety? Because I talk about how you have to find these events that cause your anxiety. What if you can't remember them? I'll answer that in that video. I've got one about tailgating, quite a common thing. There's a few of the various ones. February 15th, there's another question someone asked. I won't say what it is, but it's something about driving anxiety. There's another few ones, good ones coming up. 15th of March, massive video revealing something I've never revealed before about overcoming your fear. And I have done some driving ones. If you saw the one the other day about, was it top 10 reasons people fail at King's Heath Driving Test Centre, I did make a follow-up to that. I won't say exactly what it is, but it's about the driving test. It's 34 minutes and 37 seconds long. That will be coming out, I don't know when. It's set to come out late March, probably be out before that. I do want to kind of get more of a balance. So therapy, lessons. It's been a lot of therapy. Well, I've built that up, but that's all now going swimmingly. So it's time to balance this channel out and get back to what I used to do. Anyway, before I get too coffee and choky, I'll end it there by saying thanks for watching this year. do let me know in the comments what you want to see. Let me know who you are, because I haven't really got any idea who watches my videos. I don't interact a lot because I'm too busy. I do read the comments and I make videos based on them, but I don't have a lot of time, so I don't know exactly who's saying what in the comments. So thanks for watching, hope you're going to enjoy it, and look out for more fun coming next year. Have a great 2025, and I'll see you then.